5 LG washers, 5 different strengths, and 1 question. Which one makes the most sense in everyday use? Stay to the end because the top pick will not suit every laundry room. At number 1 is the largest front loader here. Its main strength is balance. Strong cleaning, excellent efficiency, plenty of space, and features that feel useful rather than excessive. The 5.2 cubic foot drum matters when you wash bedding, towels, or several days of family laundry. Steam and allergen cycle, cold washing, and fabric sensing give it more care options than either top loader. It also spins at 1,300 revolutions per minute, so clothes may leave the drum holding less water. But this is a 29-inch wide machine. That small difference can decide whether it fits at all. It is also the heaviest front loader here, and detergent dosing is manual, unlike the automatic system on the next model. And I would choose this for a busy household wanting front load efficiency without losing capacity. But if you prefer top loading and less bending, number 2 gets interesting. Links to all products in this review at the best available price are in the description below the video. Second place goes to the most feature-rich top loader in the group. It ties the winner with a score of 86, and for some homes it may be more practical. Its 5.5 cubic feet drum is the largest here, while the automatic dispenser stores detergent and softener for several loads. That is genuinely useful when you wash almost daily. The built-in faucet helps pre-treat stains, and the angled edge makes it easier to reach items at the bottom. The trade-off is fabric care. There is no steam, sanitary cycle, or allergen cycle, and its 950 revolutions per minute spin is slower than the front loaders. It also cannot be stacked. Choose this if you want maximum capacity, easy loading, and fewer steps before each wash. But if you want a standard width front loader with stronger care features, number 3 is the better fit. And if this comparison is helping, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. At number 3 is probably the safest all-round choice. It is not the newest looking model, but it combines a large drum, standard 27-inch width, fast washing, and a complete set of care cycles. You get steam, sanitary washing, an allergen cycle, cold washing, and fabric sensing. Independent testing also found above-average stain removal, so this is more than a long feature list. The cleaning performance supports it. Still, the cabinet is deeper than the next washer, the controls feel more traditional, and there is no automatic dosing. It also lacked a current score in the March 2026 Consumer Reports reprint. For families wanting strong cleaning and hygiene cycles without moving to a 29-inch machine, this is a solid choice. But when room depth is the main problem, number 4 has a clear advantage. Fourth place goes to the shallowest front loader here. A 4.5 cubic foot drum sounds less impressive, but in a tight laundry room, the shorter cabinet may matter more than extra capacity. You get 25 programs, a clear digital dial, a drum light, steam, sanitary washing, and an allergen cycle. So despite its size, this is not a basic washer. It offers more program choice than the larger front loaders and still earned excellent washing and efficiency ratings. The main limitation is capacity. Bulky comforters and large family loads fit more easily in the models above. The dispenser is manual, and with the door open it still needs 55 inches of total depth, so check full clearance. This model suits apartments, closets, and smaller laundry rooms where every inch matters. If you want something simpler and easier to load from above, the final washer may fit better. In fifth place is the simplest washer here. That does not make it bad. It still earned strong washing and efficiency ratings, but gives you fewer ways to customize a load. The 5.0 cubic foot drum is roomy, the controls are straightforward, and the angled front helps you reach deeper into the tub. Deep fill is useful when you want more water for bulky or heavily soiled items. For everyday clothes, towels, and bedding, it handles the basics well. But the ranking difference is clear. You get only 8 programs, the lowest spin speed here, and no steam, sanitary, allergen, or dedicated cold wash feature. There is no automatic dispenser and it cannot be stacked. This is for someone wanting a large, simple top loader without paying for features they may never use. But for faster spinning, more care options, or automatic dosing, a higher-ranked model is the better long-term choice. Check the top products through the links in the description below the video to compare current prices and availability. And like the video and subscribe to the channel for more clear, honest product comparisons.